So since the launch and announcement of the OPPO Find X8 series, I've actually been experiencing this ColorOS 15 for a while now, and I realized that it's quite amazing and also very surprising at the same time. So in this video, I want to share with you what I experienced so far. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So in this video, it's a little bit special because I'm not talking to you about new devices, new phones or whatever, but instead I'm talking to you about this thing inside this device, which is ColorOS 15. And I recently also got a chance to attend a ColorOS 15 workshop organized by OPPO, and they actually shared some productivity potential and also ColorOS 15 hidden secrets that opened my eyes a little bit, okay? Other than that, they also demonstrated some AI features which I've also included in my previous review videos. You can also go check them out. But in this video, I will also top up a few more that I learned from the workshop. Now, the first thing that we get to experience when we have ColorOS 15 is how smooth and how fast this OS is compared to the previous generation, okay? Because apparently this is like the biggest upgrade for their mobile OS in the history of OPPO, okay? So as you can see here, opening and closing of apps is actually very fast, and I can actually open apps one after another without waiting, and all those apps can actually open without any laggy or any problems at all. I would say that it also has the assistance of very good internal hardware, for example like the bigger RAM and stuff like that, but I would say the ColorOS itself has reached a level whereby I can call it premium, because it is not just colorful, it is not just very productive, but it's also very smooth and gives a very nice experience to users. Now, one biggest feature that delighted me, okay, on ColorOS 15 is this thing called Touch to Share. You've probably have seen it before. I've also talked about it in my previous Find X8 Pro video, is that this feature allows ColorOS users, okay, especially ColorOS 15 users, to transfer files from an OPPO phone to an iPhone. So in order to do that, very simple, install the OPPO Connect app on your iPhone and then go to Gallery on your ColorOS phone, select the photo and tap Touch to Share. And once you're done with that, on the iPhone you get to actually see the OPPO phone running ColorOS on the OPPO Connect app. Tap on it and you will be able to transfer files instantly. It's like AirDrop, almost instant, no need to wait. ColorOS 15 also brings a lot of AI features, okay, especially when it comes to photo gallery and photo editing. Now, there are a few features that I want to share with you about, okay. The first feature is called Enhanced Clarity function. Nowadays, when we use our camera, we like to zoom, right? So when we use digital zoom too much, photo might actually be blurred. But with this Enhanced Clarity function, AI will actually help us to look at the picture and sharpen it and also create details out of everything that we cannot see with our eyes. Hence, it will be able to enhance the clarity of any blur photos. Next one, AI eraser. So as the name suggests, we are using AI to erase things that we don't want in photos. For example, humans in the background, you know, we can actually circle them, or we can actually rub them using our finger, and the system will actually know that we want to remove all this in the background. But what I love about OPPO's version of this is they will actually scan the whole picture and they will tell you, oh, this is distraction, this is distraction, do you want to remove them? Just tap and then they will just disappear like Thanos tap. Ching! Okay. The next one, okay, that I also feel you should try is called Unblur photo. So basically, if you put a photo into the phone, or even if you have a photo that you take using the phone and then your hand is a little bit shake, you know, low light, a little bit, hence it's not very sharp, just tap on Unblur and then you will see the transition from your blur photo become very sharp using OPPO's AI. What do you see on my phone screen? You will see something moving, right? So that's basically the reflection of the light on the screen. And when we take photos, you will be able to actually see a lot of reflections when you take picture during the day, especially when you're outside, especially when you take a picture of someone in a restaurant or a cafe while you're still outside, you know. So the window usually will reflect for example, the street or the sun or the light. But with OPPO's latest AI feature on ColorOS 15, you are able to actually remove the reflections on this glass with just a tap of a button. Look, it's amazing, right? Now, in the whole category of AI, right, OPPO has also included this thing called AI Studio for us to actually reimagine and also create AI portraits using our own photos or any photo that we uploaded, okay? So for example, I pick a photo of my own face and then I want the theme to be like on the beach, and they actually created like a few versions of it for me to pick. Then other than that, we can also do other styles like Manhattan style, you know, for example, if you want it to look like very classy, very black and white, you can also use this. Did you know that OPPO's ColorOS 15 also has circles to search? That is actually a feature that I can actually find on the Find X8 and also Find X8 Pro, okay? For example, when I tap on the bottom area, I can actually circle to search whatever that is on the screen, and it will bring up Google results. Apart from that, I can also use Gemini. So now, if you are using this phone, you can bring up Gemini by just press and hold the power button, and the Gemini assistant will appear instantly. What should I do for Christmas Day tomorrow?
Here are some ideas on what to do for Christmas Day tomorrow. Attend a Christmas service. Start the day with a festive and reflective Christmas service.
Speaking of AI also helps with productivity on ColorOS 15, okay? One of the best features that I use all the time is this one called AI Assistant for Notes. So for example, when I'm in Notes and I have like a paragraph of text, right, I can actually bring up AI Assistant for Notes and I will actually see all these features that I can use. For example, clean up, polish, continue writing, elaborate, or even shorten. There's also a button called Format whereby I can actually format it again using AI, and it will actually create the result at the bottom of my notes. Now, before I end this video, there's also one tip that I want to share with you that I also learned from the workshop, and it's called floating window. I actually didn't know about this until then. Okay, so let me show you, okay? When you go to multitasking, you can actually tap on the three little dots above an app and enable floating window, and that actually will float on your home screen and allow you to actually resize the app as big or as small as you want, put it at one corner and open other apps. For example, now if I have two more apps that I open on a multitasking view, I actually can have this floating window above it. So that also means at one time I can have 3 apps open, and that's crazy. So as a conclusion, all I want to say is that I'm very happy, also very impressed with my experience with the ColorOS 15, okay, because it is truly a very big leap from previous generation OPPO phones. If you don't have the latest OPPO phones to try, just go to the store, go play with it, and I'm sure you will know what I mean, okay? I really like how smooth it is. I love all the AI features, for example, you know, the cleanup, unblur and stuff like that. And also all the productivity AI features that I mentioned to you earlier, okay? So that is all. Hope you love my sharing. If you love videos like this, don't forget to share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!